And these startling new numbers here. More than 100,000 new cases have been reported in Florida within the past week, with a majority of cases coming from South Florida.
As cases surge, long lines have returned to testing sites like this one at Miami Park in southwest Miami-Dade.
And big retailers like Publix and Walmart are now reversing course on their mask policies and will soon require all employees to cover up.
The crisis is growing as the CDC sounded the alarm about the Delta variant, saying it's more contagious than chickenpox.
Miami-Dade County is now seeing a disturbing spike in cases. Local 10 News investigator Amy Viteri begins our live team coverage now. Amy.
Well, Calvin and Nicole, Florida reporting nearly 110,500 new cases over the past week. The positivity rate over 18%. This, as CDC documents show, that Delta variant even more contagious than previously feared. And major retailers are taking that seriously, and they're taking precautions.
Major retailers reversing course Friday. Walmart announcing it's requiring all workers to wear face masks, vaccinated or not, in areas with high infection rates. Publix also requiring all employees to mask up, and both chains say they will encourage customers to do the same. The change comes after a new CDC recommendation amid concerns about the dangerous Delta variant.
In some studies, it's actually showing to be more contagious than chickenpox.
New CDC data showing when it comes to the Delta variant, the average infected person can pass the virus on to between 6 to 8 others, according to Dr. Eileen Marty. Also, if a vaccinated person does get infected, it seems they can also pass on the virus, just like the unvaccinated.
If you overwhelm the protection that you develop from the vaccine, you're going to get infected and you're going to be contagious to others.
However, data shows the vaccinated are still much more protected against severe disease and less likely to catch it.
Since no single public health measure is 100%, you have to layer your protections.
Miami Beach Mayor Dan Gelber sending this letter to the governor, urging the state to take measures to stop the spread. This graph highlighting plummeting hospitalizations when the county put a mask mandate in place, surging once again when the governor banned those measures.
I just think that the governor has to come to the reality that we are in the midst of a surge that's unprecedented in the country. There is no state doing worse than we are right now.
They are troubling numbers, but one piece of good news, vaccinations are up over the last week. About 40,000 people more got vaccinated compared to the week prior, but health experts urging people to keep in mind it is the combination of getting the shot and going back to those basic measures, the masks, the distancing, and hygiene that are really going to help us get out of this dangerous surge. We're live in Miami Beach. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.
And we know it works. Thank you, Amy.